Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to fix unable to verify age on character AI. Yes, so first thing you have to do is open up your browser, any browser of your choice, and you search for character AI. Once you search for that, you're going to log in into the website with your account. Yes, then afterwards, once you do that, you can see below right here where it says under character AI, you can see your profile. Click on your profile right there and you're going to see settings, public profile, and the rest of that. So you're just going to click on settings. So once you click on settings, you're going to see a love drop down here. You can see a public profile, account, preferences, muted words, parental insight, and advanced. So you click on advanced, and once you click on advanced, you're going to see verify age. So once you see verify age, you click on that and you're going to wait for it to actually process and just load up, and patiently wait. So it's going to take you here where you need to verify, and you're going to see how your journey starts and everything. So you just click on begin verifying. So once you click on that, you still have to wait. Then afterwards, you have to let's make sure it's really you. So they're going to actually do a verification. You have to turn on your camera and just turn right, and afterwards you're going to follow the few steps and you have just finished verifying your age. So I can't actually do it because I'm using my system, right? So afterwards, this is where it's going to stop and you are good to go. If you find this guide helpful, give the thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.